hello, and welcome to our new channel,
Sup?
Adventures on the Cheap. So right now what we're doing is we're going to give you a little backstory on our pop-up. Well, Tommy's going to give the backstory on the pop-up.
Heck of a story it is.
Mm-hmm.
Not really. Had a pop-up, been in our family 20 years, 1971. Puma Trail Star. Company's no longer even around, so we can't order like any replacement parts or new canvases. It's got some distressing. So everything we're going to have to figure out how to kind of fix it without manufacturer parts. And we are the Adventures on the Cheap, so we're going to do this on as low a budget as possible,
For sure.
but still have it be nice.
Exactly.
So it is pop-up, sleep 6. It's structurally sound, frame is solid, floor is solid.
Yep.
It just needs a
Oh,
little,
the sun is going in my eyes.
needs a
Sorry.
little TLC. Well, let's get you out of the sun and show them the pop-up.
All right. Okay.
There
So-
she is, in all her glory.
She's old, but she's loved. She needs some TLC, and that's what we're gonna do for her.
Yes. For the outside, we'll be able to see. Very faded paint. It did come apart here. We put a brace in here. Fix that. Take a peek at the canvas. It's all let go at the corner. So we went camping. We did a makeshift duct tape repair.
Yes.
And then there are some little pinholes. So we have to have the tarps on here because we are currently using it as it is.
Yes, we are.
Same with the other side. Also, fully let go. We're gonna figure out how to get that fixed. The beds are a little droopy, so we got to get the beds lifted up so they're level because it's putting stress on the inside track. Screens, for the most part, pretty intact. Middle canvas is in good shape. It's just the ends, and I think it's because the bunks were drooping.
So it pulled.
So it put a lot of stress on the canvas. Got to put some tires on it, do the standard stuff, check the wheel bearings. There is an awning for it. We went and picked up some PVC poles today. We're going to see if we can manufacture something. And I'll let you do the inside tour.
All right, sounds good. So, here's the inside.
Very dated.
Very, very dated. It's got the yellow, brown, cream, crazy, ugly 70s decor. So, we're going to replace the benches. We're going to recover those. And if we have enough, which I think we do, we're going to recover both the beds. And this is the material that we have for replacing it.
That we picked up at the flea market.
Yes.
99 cents a yard.
Yes, and we have 8 yards or 8 or 10 yards, something like that. So hopefully we have enough to cover everything that we need to do. The counters and the cupboards, as you can see, are very dated as well. So we're gonna paint over the cupboards, all of these, and then we're going to do something snazzy with the top, the counters. We were thinking about taking the sink out, but we're not 100% at this point. We're just going to kind of take it as we go.
We don't have a need for the sink. So
Right.
if we could find, depending on what we're going to do with the countertops, it's not necessary for it to stay. So it may or may not come out. The heater, don't know if it works. Never ever in the time that it's been in my family have we used it. So we're probably going to pull that unit out for additional storage space.
Yes. And then we have some flooring that we picked up for 99 cents for this whole bundle here. and found out that we didn't have quite enough. So we're going to figure out something to do with this when the time comes.
If anything,
So-
we'll line the drawers.
Yeah, very true. And then this comes down as well, but we have it up because it's very hot today.
All the zippers and everything work, so that's
Yep.
a good thing.
Yep, and then we just got to kind of scrub where you can see where it kind of leaked a little bit. So we're going to fix that. We're going to scrub that up. We have a little closet. We have the old-fashioned refrigerator that is storage now. You need a piece of...
It's the old style too. Check this out.
Yep.
This is the old refrigerator, not electric. It's the kind you'd put the dry ice in.
Yep.
But we're using it for storage for our cleaners, bug spray, stuff like that. So if something would pop, spill,
Yep.
the mess is contained.
Yes, for sure. And so, yeah. I mean, this is, and then we have our old light, which we're going to change.
And you can see our temporary repairs aren't working out so well.
Yep.
And
So,
the tabletop. We got a special plan for the tabletop that we're going to redo, modern it up a little bit.
yep.
Should be pretty awesome. Stay tuned for that.
Yep. We're going to redo the ceiling.
Ceiling has no leaks.
Nope, not at all. But we're going to paint it, and then we're going to put glow in the dark stars on the ceiling. So, that'll be cool. And we got a bunch of different glow in the dark type solar system stuff. So, that is the pop-up. The kids sleep in this as much as possible because they absolutely love this thing. So, while we're working on it,
We're going to document it and give you guys an itemized thing of what things cost us. Today, for our canopy, we spent $36.
yes.
And the pipes and the fittings and stuff like that. Because there is a canvas for it, but there's no poles or anything.
Exactly. And he keeps,
And we got to fix that.
yes, and we got to fix that.
This holds the door
Yep.
in place.
All right. You can go out.
So, as we work on it, we will document and show you how we're going to make this camper a little more modern, a lot of bit nicer,
Yep,
on a very low budget.
for sure.
Jaslyn is behind the camera. If she wants to give a quick walk around,
Okay.
so we can see all the way around. That way, we'll do a forward back or two.
Sounds good.
And there's that.
And if anybody does, before we go, if anybody does have any suggestions or knows anything about canvas repair, let me know.
Yes, for sure, for sure. The information will be down below to contact us.
The biggest thing that's got me stumped is how I'm going to fix
Yep, for
this
sure.
so it holds up and lasts.
Yep.
And I know everybody say, oh, you can go get it recanvassed. We price that. We've got it's quoted at about $1,200 for that. We don't want to spend that. So I don't mind patches if we can make the patches look cool.
For sure. But thank you for taking the tour with us. I hope you stay tuned to watch our before and after and in between videos. With that, have a great day.
And if you want to help with this camper, take advantage of the PayPal link in the description below.
For sure,
We'd
for sure.
appreciate it. 100% of it would go to this camper.
Yes, yes, it
And
will.
ideas. Welcome ideas.
Yep, thank
With that,
you.
peace. Catch you later.
Bye.